Today we're going to learn about speed word problems. Let's say we have a problem like a motorist drove at 80 miles per hour for 4 hours 30 minutes and traveled 40% of his journey. How long would he take to complete the whole journey if he travels at the same speed throughout the journey? Now it says in the problem that the motorist drove 80 miles per hour for 4 hours 30 minutes. And we know that speed is equal to distance over time. So let's write that down. The speed, S for speed, is equal to the distance over time. Now we know in this problem the speed and the time. The speed is 80 miles per hour and the time is 4 hours 30 minutes or 4.5 hours. So let's replace the speed, S for speed, and the time, T for time, with 80 miles per hour and 4 hours 30 minutes or 4.5 hours. So 80 miles per hour is equal to distance over 4.5 hours. Now, this means that the distance is equal to the speed times the time. So this means that the distance that they traveled in 4.5 hours is equal to 80 times 4.5, which is equal to 360 kilometers, 360 miles. Now, it says in the problem that they traveled 40% of his journey. So this means that 360 miles is 40% of his journey. So let's write the ratio between the percent of the journey traveled and the distance covered. So the percent of the journey to the distance traveled, D for distance, T for traveled, D for distance, T for traveled, is equal to 40% to 360 miles. Now we need to find out how long he would take to complete the whole journey, which is 100% of his journey. So if 40% is equal to 360 miles, then 100% is equal to how many miles? To solve this part of the problem, we need to use cross multiplication. This means we multiply 40 with question mark and 360 with 100. So let's do this. We get 40 question mark is equal to 360 times 100. 360 times 100. So this means that question mark is equal to 360 times 100 divided by 40. 360 times 100 divided by 40. This 0 can cancel out with this 0, and 4 goes into 360 90 times. So we are left with 90 times 10, which is equal to 900 miles, which is equal to 900 miles. Now, we need to find out how long would he take to complete the whole journey. And we know that the speed is equal to the distance over the time. So this must mean that the time is equal to the distance over the speed. So this means that the time taken to complete the whole journey is the distance over the speed, and we know that the distance is 900 miles. So 900 over, now it says in the problem that he travels at the same speed throughout the whole journey. And the same speed throughout the whole journey is 80 miles per hour. So 900 over 80. This 0 cancels out with this 0. So we are left with 90 over 8, which is equal to 11.25. So this motorist takes 11.25 hours to complete the whole journey. 11.25 hours. Today we learned about speed word problems. Thank you for watching this video.